Well, hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. So today I'm doing a bicycle camp. So I am now way out up a Scamander Road. Miles, 20 k's in I've actually come. So, but this is as far as I'm getting with the bike and trailer, because down here is very steep. So, but the Scamander River's in here, and I've already walked down along that track, and it's got a really nice campsite on the river. So it's going to be a bit of bush bashing to get to. Might have to clear a path, but I'm going to hide the bike in over here and leave it overnight. No one's going to pinch it. No one's coming down here, so that's the plan. So there, I've hidden the bike in there. So it's in next to that tree. I can see a handlebar sticking up, but honestly I don't think anyone's going to come down this track, and if they do I'll hear them. I'm going to have to zigzag it down, because going straight down the way to the trailer is just a bit much for me. Well, all I can say is thank God that's the only hill that I've got to come down, because that was tough. So, and thank God I haven't got to go far along this track either, because the trailer doesn't go that well when it's not attached to the bike. It tends to be a bit arse heavy. So this is what the road comes to. So there's been a hell of a lot of water come down here and washed it away to nothing. So on the other side is, I'd say over there is where the track enters in again, but you ain't getting down that even in a four-wheel drive. Well, you might get down, but it'll only be once. But around the corner here is some really nice sandbars. So I've got to get through that. Luckily, back this way, I found a path. Not a very good one, but it's a path. In through there and to the right. I'm getting covered in a bit of pollen, but I think it beats trying to carry all my stuff in by hand. So, seems to be coming through all right. Big stuff here, but luckily I walked it rather than drag the trail through and end up in up shit creek. But certainly better than going along the creek. And just through this hole here, and there we go. Look at that. There we go. I might have to leave my trailer up here and haul the gear down over there, but that's a lot better than hauling it through there. And look at this, this nice soft sandbar right in the middle there. That's where I'm going to set up camp. So this is the upper Scamander River. So you could just imagine, to get all that torn out and all those trees and everything down here, there would have been a lot of water coming down here when we had big rains. And I did manage to find a gap under that tree in front of it and got me trail, so I don't even have to carry the gear down here. Time for a beer. Oop. A little bit shook up. Bit of a rough ride in here, so. But it's lovely. And the water over there looks nice and inviting. I shall be in there later on. Get all this crud and shit off me. Well, there's camp all set up. I've decided I'm going to put my fire over there, that way I don't get any smoke in the tent. So at the moment I've got the water boiling because it's time for a brew. So I was up flying my drone around, just getting a bit of drone footage, and I was wondering why I couldn't find my tent. It should be right there, but it's upside down in the bushes, so yeah, the tent pegs aren't holding. Might need some rocks. Okay, well, I've weighted all the pegs down, and we had a massive gust come through then, so it didn't go anywhere. But my chair's over there, my video camera's in the dirt, and my heat shield for my little stove is gone too. So, oh, that's cool. That's refreshing. Won't be staying in here long though. Hopefully I've got enough firewood to last me the night, but yeah, I probably don't need a fire just yet. But so a nice little bottle of red, Toby Shiraz Tempranillo. Hope I said that right. Cheers. Tastes pretty good too. That's really nice, yeah. So I've got the little wood fire stove going, but I've mucked up. I haven't used it in a while. I've got the little prongs. I should have them pointed inwards. But so tonight's dinner, and I must admit, I'm leaving the cupboard a bit bare. I had chicken carbonara, or I had chicken carbonara. Let's see what this tastes like. Yeah. Not bad. Yeah, well, it's been a lovely camp, this one. I really enjoyed it. Bit of a bush bash to get here and everything like that. And yeah, did have the tent blow away, and it's been quite windy here, and I've had to catch a chair a few times and various other items, but even still it was great. So the dip in the Scamander River was it was cool, but I've had worse when I had to get my drone out. But it was nice and refreshing, and I certainly feel a lot better for it. So I just thought I'd do a quick talk on what's going on. So this will be the last video for 2024 for me. I just got too much on before Christmas, and then I'm spending Christmas up in Melbourne with family, and I won't be back until probably nearly New Year. So, but anyway, what's in store for 2025 for gonna do? I got a few trips planned for 2025. One down to Lake Sorell. I will do a camp down there, but I also might take my kayak there, and I might do an overnight camp to an island out on the lake. But I've got to watch what I do, because it is a big lake, and if the wind picks up, I can actually get caught out quite badly on that. So the other one is Waterhouse Conservation Area. There's a lake on the side of that, but that's not actually in the Waterhouse Conservation Area. It's down on the south part of it. So yeah, I intend to go down there and have a look. There is a trip to New Zealand again in August, September, on North Island along the Pacific Highway to Napier and I think Gisborne. It's the only spot I haven't been in New Zealand. We're not doing it in a juicy van this time, we're doing it in another one, so there will be a review on that as well. So, but anyway, that's all for this camp, and I'm not signing off on this video because I might get a sunset yet, hard to say. We'll see how it goes, but certainly I've got morning coming up. But that's all for tonight.
Yes, well, good morning. And an early one it is too. It's just on 10 to 6 now, but I've been awake since 4:30 when all the birds arced up. But it's a cool morning, but not cold. I'm still in my shirt, so not going to bust the jacket out or anything. So got a cuppa going, and I'll get some breakfast going soon. But then slowly pack up, I suppose. But it'll be an early start and back home again. So yeah, but I'll enjoy my brew.
And there we go, circle of rocks where I had my tent, all packed down into the trailer. So now all I've got to do is make my way back up through here and then up the big steep hill and connect to the bike and head home. Yeah, so this has been a really good camp spot. Difficult to get to, and the sand can be challenging at times to get things packed away and not get sand all over it, but even still, it was lovely. Certainly a good end of the year. Very picturesque. Wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I'll see you sometime in the new year with a new camp and new adventures. So that's all for this video and for 2024. If you like this channel, consider subscribing to it. And I'll see you in new adventures in 2025.